Here's what made history on November 8th. In 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen discovered X-rays, changing medicine forever. In 1932, Franklin D. Roosevelt won the U.S. presidency during the Great Depression, promising a New Deal for America. In 1960, John F. Kennedy defeated Richard Nixon, becoming the youngest elected U.S. president. In 2013, Typhoon Haiyan, one of the strongest storms ever recorded, struck the Philippines, causing massive devastation. From X-rays to elections, November 8th reminds us that progress comes through vision and resilience.